Bill Goldberg, big guy. And again, there's that automatic torque flight shifter to his right, although it's also possible to paddle shift using the titanium paddles that are on the backside of those steering wheel spokes. Yeah, they're titanium. Very light, very strong. And I don't think that they're pretty rough. I don't think Goldberg's going to break them, but good stuff. Bill Goldberg taking on Matt D'Angelo. Goldberg in green. Put some water down right there. That'll help the tires to spin a little quicker. Now, the water is the last thing you want on the starting line, but it is also a way to get the rear tires spinning quickly. So what you want to do is zip the front tires through the water as quick as you can, and then get those rear tires into the water just enough to make the treads wet. Then spin them up using the trans brake, which is part, the line lock, which is part of the Redeye package. And then get those tires spinning. All that water evaporates right off, instants away. And then you have sticky tires that are ready to bite the strip and hook you and get you down the track, hopefully faster than you're going. Good smoky burnouts on both sides. Okay, Goldberg in the green car. That orange line is what you want to keep your nose on, literally. Put an R for race. Kidding. Actually, first. Watch the arm drop. Away they go. And Goldberg seems to have a small hole shot. Ooh, neck and neck. Neck and neck. So close. Okay, Goldberg's traction control is kicking in a little bit. And Goldberg gets it by a half a car.
We're matching the last times of the thousands. 996.8 to a 996.8.
Wow. 9.968, exactly identical elapsed times. But again, the reaction time is everything. The cars did the same job everywhere, but there's the photo finish showing that because Goldberg had a slight advantage off the line, well, he takes the win. 9.968, both cars. Flagman's arms come down, and a little bit of tire spin. You can see both cars. Traction control kicks in a little bit. They pedal them a bit, and then you can see right there, they're basically doing the same thing. It's very cool. One thing about any car you want to go drag racing with is you want to see repeatability or consistency, and that's a great demonstration right there of how this package, if you just leave it and drive, kind of does the same thing over again. Two cars next to each other do the same thing. There you go, 9.968 ET in the quarter or eighth mile. Very respectable.